friends, it's me, Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting, and I wanted to show you a super cute heart style design that you can use in borders for those upcoming Valentine's Day projects that you might have lying around. Let's check it out. This design is fantastic for vertical fillers especially. Might be a little difficult to go around a corner, but if you get creative, you should be able to make it work. So we're going to go curve up and down, and then swing it out and back down. And then we're going to utilize an S curve and a stamen or little ball at the top to travel from the tip of the V to the tip of the heart. And you can see that cute little heart design, and it gives you some even stability right in the middle of it. But it can be a lot of fun to practice that. If you were doing that around a corner, you probably would have to practice swinging out those sides a little bit better. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Lauren with Bold Notion Quilting. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel so you can see new videos as they come out, and share with your friends on Facebook and other different media platforms so they can know that we are here to share free motion quilting designs. Take care, y'all. Bye!